today in this video we are going to talk about some interesting facts which we came across, and that is deadly effect of coronavirus over the patients. In recent findings, doctors are finding the damages in kidney, heart, lungs and other parts of the body. The most known reason of deaths of coronavirus patients is by the inflammation and clogging of the tiny air sacs inside the lungs, choking of the body's oxygen supply until they shut down the organ of the life. But the clinicians around the world are seeing the evidence that suggests that in some cases virus may be causing heart inflammation, acute kidney disease, neurological malfunctions, blood clots, intestinal damage and liver problems. The recent study shows over 15% of the patients hospitalized because of the COVID-19 have blood and protein in their urine, which indicates early stage damage to their kidneys. According to the paper published by Wuhan scientists on 16th of May in medical journal Kidney International, when researchers in Wuhan conducted autopsies on the people who died in COVID-19, they found 9 of 26 had acute kidney injuries, and 7 of them was having particles of coronavirus in their kidneys. This is giving us a message that COVID-19 is impacting over the kidneys. And now the second fact which we came across, that virus also may be damaging the hearts. Clinicians in the China and the New York have reported an inflammation in the heart muscle and more dangerous irregular heart rhythms that can lead to cardiac arrest in the COVID-19 recovered patients. There is one more fact we came across by the article published by Claire Hopkins, who is one of the most popular medical associates from Italy, has written in his article that more than 25% COVID-19 patients have found a significant damage in their sensing capabilities post-treatment of the COVID-19. As we all know, there have been a consideration that in early stage of COVID-19, it can be identified as a loss of sensibility of smell. And now the fact is coming that this loss is still persisting in 25% of the patients even after treatment of their corona. There is one more fact we came across is from the China. The report says in Wuhan, there are 6% of the patients who have been cured from the corona have found skin darkening issue. This story came into the highlight when 2 Chinese doctors named Dr. He Fan and Dr. Hu Weifeng, both age 42, got novel coronavirus while treating patients at Wuhan Central Hospital in January. And as per China's state media, they have developed a new symptom, that is skin color change, and that is darkening of skin color. This abnormal skin color is caused by hormonal imbalance after their liver were damaged by the virus. And these are some of the known implications of the coronavirus over the human body. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe.